That's great. Cool. Hey, check.
Back down just a little bit more, then we should be good. Go.
Hey, check 1, 2. Hey, checking 1, 2, 3. Hey, yeah. Hey, oh. Checking 1, 2. Hey, that's perfect. Will we hit that sample pad real quick? Cool. Think we're good?
Can we just chug something for a second, just see if we're good all together? Let's just go. I think that'll work. Alright, we're good? Yep. We're good, alright. Alright, there you are.
How y'all doing out there? We're Howling Giant from Nashville, Tennessee. Thank you guys for coming out to rock with us today. We got a beautiful one.